Hello, all you beautiful people. I'm Mike Ferrossi with Superloans, and I was wondering, did you know that you can buy or refinance a house with no income or employment documentation? No joke, and it's not too good to be true. There's a bit of a catch though. This loan can only be used for an investment property. Yep, just because you don't need income or employment information doesn't mean that your lender will lend you a few $100,000 without verifying that you can afford the payment. But in this case, your job and your income isn't what makes the payment. The property does. So instead of traditional methods, we'd use the cash flow of the investment property for loan qualification. These loans are referred to as DSCR loans, which stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. They're called this because the lender calculates a DSCR, or the property's cash flow, instead of calculating a traditional debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, like they do with other loan types. The actual ratio calculation requires a bit of math, but we can avoid that by saying if the rent the property brings in covers the mortgage payment, you're good. You qualify. Heck, even if it doesn't and the property has negative cash flow, you could still qualify depending on your down payment amount and your credit score. At Superloans, we have access to a couple different versions of these DSCR programs, so I'll go over some quick highlights. Loan amounts go up to $4 million. Adjustable rate terms, fixed rate terms, and interest-only options are available. Credit score minimums are typically 620, but sometimes they allow down to a 600 credit score. You can purchase an investment property with as little as 20% down, refinance into a lower rate or payment with as little as 20% equity, and you can even cash out up to 75% of a property's value. Even if you're in the market to purchase your first investment property, you can use a DSCR program to do that with no income or employment documentation whatsoever. Loans like this have existed for a long time on the commercial property side of things. These DSCR loans are bringing that commercial approach to residential investment properties. The end result is dead simple mortgage transactions and fast closings for investors nationwide. If you'd like customized information just for you, check us out at superloans.com and get started. Because with Superloans, great rates have never been so simple.